What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more reviews, and this time we are going to be looking at a new paper-like film that I found, and seeing that I already have one on my tablet right here, my iPad Pro 11, hopefully this one will be just as good. So let's check it out. So as I mentioned, this is a new paper-like film that I found. I'm gonna drop a link below so you can check it out. And you get two of these for about 18 bucks. So I don't think that's a bad deal for these, but we wanna check it out and make sure that it lives up to the hype. Now this is not the official paper-like. So it just says paper-like film. Notice right here, paper-like, low reflection, less fingerprint. So you got that matte finish. It says smooth to the touch. Self-adhesive film. It is a film, not a glass. It's removable, and it says it's hard, so you won't hurt your screen behind this one. It's supposed to be scratch proof, waterproof, anti-glare, anti-fingerprint. So let's get this open. Let's see what we have on the inside. So when you open this up, you get your normal things. You get two of these, like I said earlier. You get your little prep cloth and your alcohol pad right there, and you get your squeegee so that you can smooth everything out with no bubbles and no issues. First thing I gotta do though is take the old film off that I have on. So we got the old film off. Next thing I want to do is actually turn the tablet off, because you don't want the electromagnetic static build up on the screen with it being on, as well as you want to be able to clearly see where your bubbles are so that you can get those out during the installation process. So I'm turning it off. Now that we got it off, you want to make sure you're not in a room that's too dusty, and a room that people will not be going in and out of, just so you don't breathe dust onto the screen. I'm gonna take my squeegee, sit it up here, because we're gonna be using that in just a little bit. Get my alcohol prep pad ready. So when we open this packaging up, let's see. We got our prep pad, we got our terry cloth, and we got dust remover. First things first, we gotta take our alcohol wipe, clean that screen off. So I'm just gonna wipe the screen down real nice. Terry cloth. Just gonna wipe behind that alcohol wipe. Before I do the dust remover, I want to actually take this out so it'll be ready. All right, so we got one of these out, and I'm gonna have it to the side right over here. Okay, now I'm gonna take my dust remover, pop that off. Now the dust remover is a little flimsy, but still sticky. There we go. Now I always like to install my screens with my iPad facing this way. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take our #1 tab, and what I like to do is take it and peel it about 1/4 of the way down, and just hold it right there. Now I'm gonna line this up. And once this comes back on, this is what you have. You have your anti-glare, your anti-scratch, your waterproof, anti-fingerprint. You got everything you would need right here. Now let's test out the writings. So I have my Apple Pencil Gen 2 right here in my hand, and I'm just gonna open up Procreate. And I was working on this a little earlier, just a little doodle. Okay, so drawing works really well on here. Now I'm not a real artist. I just kind of doodle every now and then for fun. That's why I downloaded Procreate, just something to do in my spare time. Like I said, this is not the official Paperlike screen, but this is just an alternative to that actual screen technology. Now, like I said, I'm going to drop a link below so you can check this out for yourself, but this one seems to be doing pretty well. My colors seem really good. Let's do a video right quick. So we want to actually see how video looks on this, and it still looks pretty good. There's really no issue with the video quality on here. I don't see those little pixelated lines. I don't have any issues. My colors still look good. There's no problems. I give this device a big thumbs up. So as I mentioned, I will drop a link below so you can check this out for yourself. Remember, this is not the official Paperlike, but this is just an alternative to that Paperlike screen. So I'm dropping that link below. You can pick up 2 of these. Like I said, 1 pack will get you 2 of these. It's gonna run you about 18 bucks, but I think it'll be a good alternative if you wanna try Paperlike and you don't wanna spend a whole lot of money. I think this is something really good to kind of get your feet wet with it. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.